am Varsha Chalotre, Officer Trainee of Indian Railway Traffic Service 2018 batch. Today I will talk about a voluntary initiative taken by senior IRTS officers and probationers. This initiative is named SETU. SETU means bridge, and with this initiative we are trying to bridge the gap in supply chain due to ongoing lockdown. As we are going through this pandemic crisis COVID-19, due to which all passenger trains have been cancelled, it has affected movement of parcels. So Indian Railway has started 109 special parcel trains services. What we have realized that not everyone is well acquainted with railway rules and procedures and hence find it cumbersome to send their goods with railways. So we probationers, under the guidance of our senior officers, have thought of this SETU initiative to help people in sending essential supplies from one place to another. So our team prepared a step-by-step parcel guide with booking procedures, list of all the timetable parcel trains, contacts of all the commercial and operating officers of all divisions, and a fare calculator. During this process of lockdown, we are transporting essential items including medicines, PPE, masks, ventilators, agricultural commodities, etc. Anyone who wants to parcel these essential items can contact our helpline. They will be connected to the concerned team of that zone. At front end, this team will help them with all the information, solve their queries, provide them all the support from booking staff to local administration. At back end, this team will contact concerned officers, charts out the alternate route if no direct route train is available, real-time data update, coordinate with local administration if needed. They use their wide network to help people in all possible ways. Our senior officers are helping the people, especially the institutions, to connect with district administration and they make the process of getting curfew or travel pass easy for them to deliver and receive their goods from railway station. People have this image of railways as bulk transporter, moving wagons loaded with coal, cement, etc. But in this crisis situation, along with this, we are transporting essential goods to various parts of India. In order to fight the present crisis, we will need large quantities of protective equipments and medicines. But our industries are not able to produce due to transportation constraints. We are trying to bridge the gap of raw materials and supply. There is a place called Tirupur in Tamil Nadu, where many MSMEs were closed due to this transportational issues. There is a firm who want to procure raw materials from Ahmedabad to prepare masks. We don't have any direct train between these two stations, so we transshipped it via Chennai. Similarly, we have started a dedicated pharma helpline which is subset of SETU. On that particular helpline, we are connected with pharmaceutical manufacturers. We are easing the supply of raw materials as well as finished products. Along with this, we are covering agriculture sector. Recently, we have transported fertilizers from Tamil Nadu to 8 different locations in 6 states. We are working on transportation of perishable items such as bananas, mangoes, etc. so that farmers won't suffer losses. We were humbled as well as overwhelmed with the emotions by seeing the response we are getting from people. It is a great feeling. Despite being spatially constrained, still we are able to put smiles on people's faces. This small initiative by IRTS family in this time of crisis is contribution towards the motto of our service, Vayam Rashtre Jagrayam, which was also mentioned by our Honorable Prime Minister on 14th April while addressing the nation. It gives us a great insights into wider logistics network, which is the future in which Indian Railways is looking and shedding the image from a mere transporter to full-fledged logistics provider. That is what SETU stands for, swift and efficient transport of utilities. We have this vision. Just like when we have to search anything online, we say let's Google it. We are looking forward to the time when we can say for parcel delivery, let's say.